Hello all Arduino fans, ArduCopter fans especially. Today we're going to build a ArduCopter frame. What you need, now that people are starting to receive the Arduino beta frames, let's show how to build it. First we need the main frame and carrier plate pack number 1, we have it in here. Then we need to have general pack number 9. I already opened it on the table. In general pack we have a battery strap, some velcro, zip ties, 25mm hexagonal spacers, metal screws, nylon screws 20mm, nylon nuts, and also some metal nuts. When you start building the central frame, it is also good to have the power distribution pack number 3 close by, because there are inside some 12mm long hexagon spacers, which are nice to have when you're building the central part, because later on it might be a little bit difficult to place them on when the whole central frame is already built up. You can do it, it's not a problem if you have a bigger one, longer one pliers, something like this. Then you can always go and put the screws like in here, but it's easier to do it on this one. I have it already them in here, so I don't open this one power distribution board. Anyway, let's open first the central frame. We have 2 pieces of central mainframe and 2 pieces of carrier board. So, and also it's good to have the aluminum arms. The central frame will be looking a little bit like that when we are finished, naturally, with the frames. This is, by the way, the ArduCopter frame that I've been working on lately, and it's looking quite nice. Okay. Like I said, you need to have, it's good to have those 4 spacers and 4 small screws from power distribution, so I will be mounting them first. The 6mm screw on center, I always keep it that way, and I'm putting the arms outside from the corners. So let's screw them in, like that, one, like that, the second one, there, third one, fourth one, huh? There, better, like this. Yeah, it should look like this. You have the corners, the holes that are pointing towards corner, they are still open because we're going to use for the aluminum arms them. Okay, next we can mount the spacers for the carrier boards. Same places. I usually use them in this area. It is possible to mount them in here, but in that case you have to make small holes in your arms. On future releases I might be making like a side hole that you can use and fold your frame, but not on beta frame. So let's take those another 6mm nylon screws, mount them like that. And by the way, you don't need tools. Okay, you can have one screwdriver for tight one screw, but basically, because they are made from nylon, you don't need to use any force to mount them, and they are not opening by themselves because, like I said, they are from nylon. Let's go. 2, 3. So only extras what we had now was the 4 12mm hexagon spacers and the 4 6mm screws. Same screws what I'm using now to mount the 25mm spacers. There we go. On this point it should look like this. Good. If you're having it like this, then we can proceed. And you can always test it like that. Great. Now that we have the center pieces ready, we can put more stuff. It's up to every user how they want to do it. I like to do my frame like this way, that on this point I just mount them on top of each other, take the 20mm nylon and put in a corners. In this one corner, holes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 7, and there's 8, like that. This is just because next we will be mounting the aluminum arms, and it's easier if we have already the centerpiece, the holding screws on the places. Now, talk less, do more. Where's the one screw? Now I lost it. No. I really lost it. Yeah, that's the penalty when you are showing too much. Alright, let's turn it upside down again, but be careful. Yeah, be careful when you're having like this. Then screw nut, another nut. Also, when you're screwing the nuts in, if it's not going properly one way, you can always turn it upside down. Sometimes they are going better on different ways. Like that. Like that. There's the one screw that falls down. Like that. This is up to everyone by themselves which way they want to do it. Looks like I lost one of the screws, so I have to get one extra from my bags. It is somewhere in the table, but no time to look it. There. Now we have 8 nuts also. So we can open the